We've just landed into the smoke and spice space where we show you exciting ways to mix up meals and delicious flavors on your barbecue. And today we have a cracking veggie dish. Even if you're a serious meat eater, this is a delicious way to get in your veggies. Today's dish is roasted collie bites with a yummy Harissa Yoghurt dipping sauce. Let's get spicy. To introduce some exciting flavors onto our cauliflower, I'm using one of our brand new Weber rubs. This is our all-purpose rub. Now, it's not like any other all-purpose seasonings where you might as well just use salt and pepper, but it goes with so many things I couldn't really think of a better name for it.
Throw it on anything dust.
Yeah, let's not listen to him. A little bit of a story behind this product. When I designed it, I set out to create a specific lamb rub. But I quickly discovered this actually went with a whole variety of different meats and veggies. So I thought it was too good to not include in the initial range, so here it is today. And it is so good. It's full of savory notes. It's really well balanced. It has a hint of ginger, which isn't overpowering. It's just beautifully complementary. And don't forget, it has our secret Weber handcrafted ingredients. We've smoked onion, garlic and chili on a Weber smoke fire using either hickory or apple wood for 2 hours. To roast our collie on the Weber Q, we just need to set it up for roasting with a convection tray and trivet. You may be wondering, what is the difference between a seasoning and a rub? Well, our seasonings are designed for quick cooks and roasts, whereas our low and slow rubs are designed without delicate herbs or flavors that may be lost during a long cooking time. So they are bolder in flavor, so use them lightly if you would like to use them interchangeably. In my bowl, I have about 700 grams of cauliflower. Now I'm just going in with some olive oil, just to coat the florets, and then we can go in with our rub. First time you use our products, use a teaspoon measure to get that perfect quantity. That's because these are all natural and have no fillers, so you can use them sparingly and get a lot of flavor. Also, this is a rub, so keep in mind it's going to be bolder in flavour. So we're just going in with 2.5 teaspoons on our collie. We'll go in with our first teaspoon, give it a quick toss, and then go in with the rest. We just want to try and get an even coating. It may be a little bit tricky with all the gnarly bits of cauliflower, but just sprinkle it from a distance and you'll get that perfect coverage. Beautiful, this cauliflower is all ready for the barbecue. I'm going to roast it for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the cauliflower is tender and lightly golden. Spread the cauliflower out so there's enough space in between the pieces so it evenly cooks. With today's recipe, I have cut up the cauliflower into little perfect dipping little bites. You could mix it through a salad if you're wanting to bulk it up into a delicious meal, or even cut your cauliflower into steaks, sprinkle that seasoning over and then grill it over direct medium heat. Our cauliflower has been on for 40 minutes and it's smelling so nice and roasty. I'm going to go check it out. That looks beautiful, exactly how I like it. I love the crispy little bits on the edges of the cauliflower. Now this can all come off the barbecue onto your serving platter. And then before we turn off the barbecue, I'm just going to go on with a lemon. So now we're just grilling the lemon for about 2 minutes just to caramelize and bring out all those sweet, delicious flavors. Okay, so for our Harissa yogurt, I have already jumped in and got it started, but it is so simple. It's just Greek yogurt, garlic, and store-bought Harissa paste. I'm also going in with some salt to season. And then the last part to add in is our delicious sweet lemon. On the side here, I've also created a little Harissa oil. It's just with that same store-bought paste and then olive oil. We'll just mix that together and this will create a beautiful drizzle that we can swirl over the yogurt. Now we are ready to bring this all together. We can pour our yogurt into our serving bowl. Pour that all in, delicious. And then just a few dollops of this and we can swirl it all about. You can see those vibrant colours coming through. Bit of a mix, get the party started. And then this can go on our platter. We'll pop our lemon on there because that looks really nice. And then, just to finish off, we can add on some parsley. The parsley is really only for decoration here, so you could easily swap it out for coriander if you like. You'll notice in the spice space that all of our products are so versatile, you can use them on almost anything. As you already know, I did design this for lamb, but it's also great on pork, turkey, chicken, and as we are using today, it's delicious on veggies. It's time to get dipping. We're trying this collie. Going in. That is like the most flavor-packed cauliflower you'll ever try. There you have it, my delicious roasted cauliflower bites. I can't wait for you to try our products. I've put my blood, sweat and tears into these, even though we had to filter them out. No, all jokes aside, they are incredible. Can't wait for you to try them. And oh my gosh, challenge is to you, try this with fried chicken.